All right, the day is finally here. You've built your no-code app, you've optimized it, secured it, and now it's time to launch. This is an incredibly exciting moment, but it can also feel overwhelming. What exactly should you be doing on launch day? And just as importantly, what do you do in the crucial week after? In this video, I'm going to give you a clear step-by-step guide for launch day itself, how to handle the immediate aftermath, and then set you up for success in the critical first week of your app's life. Let's dive in. All right, so launch day is not when you're going to be building anything new. This is the time when you're going to be executing and communicating. If you followed our previous checklist, you've already scheduled a lot of this ahead of time. Today is about making it live. So the first thing in the morning or whenever your designated launch time is, it's time to make the official announcement. You want to start with emailing your list. This is your warmest audience. Your email should be enthusiastic, briefly explain what your app does, and have a clear call to action to try it out. And try to make it personal. Next, you want to hit all of your social media channels that make sense for this app. Feel free to pause on the screen. These are just some examples of how to build up that excitement for these different platforms. And don't forget any other relevant communities that you're a part of. Remember, we mentioned this in the first video of this series. You want to share there, but always follow their rules about self-promotion. Once your announcements are out, your primary job shifts to monitoring and engaging. Okay, so the first 24 hours are exhilarating, but they're also critical for stability. This is not the time to take a break. Your main task is to monitor for immediate bugs. Keep an eye on your analytics dashboard. Are people signing up? Are they navigating to the right pages? Pay attention to any error messages you might receive or any reports from early users. You might want to have your Bubble editor open just in case a quick fix is needed. Secondly, react to initial user feedback. If someone tweets about your app, reply. If they send an email, respond quickly. This immediate engagement shows that you're attentive and care about their experience. This builds crucial goodwill. Even if it's negative feedback, acknowledge it. Thanks for letting us know, we're looking into it, that kind of thing. Don't panic if something goes wrong. Every app has launch day glitches. The key is how quickly and professionally you respond. Okay, real quick here. If you're finding this helpful, we have so much more to teach you over in our free extended workshop at coachingnocodeapps.com/workshop, where we'll guide you through our 4-phased approach for going from idea to app. So if you're looking for a start to finish guide, go ahead and register for that workshop right after this video. You'll get immediate access. For now, let's get back to our lesson. Now, the launch itself is just the beginning. One of the biggest mistakes founders make is treating launch day as the finish line. It's actually the starting line. The week after launch is about building sustained momentum. This is what we call post-launch marketing. Here are a few simple ongoing marketing tasks that you can do in the first week. Personalize outreach for feedback. Reach out to 5 to 10 specific individuals you think would be ideal users. Maybe from your target list for direct outreach back from video 1 in this series, or even just friends who match the profile. Ask them to try your app and give you feedback, just like we discussed with beta testing. A personal invitation goes a long way. You can write a lessons learned blog post. Share your launch journey. What did you learn? What was hard? What was exciting? This humanizes your brand and can attract other aspiring founders or early adopters. It also gives you fresh content to share across your channels. Engage in related communities continuously. Don't just post on launch day and disappear. Continue to be a helpful contributing member of relevant Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and LinkedIn groups. Naturally, weave in mentions of your solution when it's genuinely relevant to a problem someone is discussing. Consistency is key here. Keep the conversation going. Finally, here's a quick tip that you can implement in your Bubble app pretty quickly to help you stay on top of new users, even when you're away from your dashboard. Set up a simple email notification in Bubble that alerts you when a new user signs up. So in the workflow where users create their accounts, add an email action to send yourself an email. You can include details like their email and the current date and time, and maybe even the running count of how many users you now have up to this point. This simple notification gives you a real-time pulse on your app's growth and ensures you never miss a sign up. So there you have it, your game plan for launch day and the crucial week that follows. Remember that this is just the beginning. Focus on clear communication, quick reactions, and constant engagement to build momentum. You've built something incredible. Now go share it with the world. All right, I hope that was helpful. And if it was, don't forget to register for that free extended training over at coachingnocodeapps.com/workshop. You'll get immediate access as soon as you register. And the link for that is in the description below. Okay, happy building.